ISNONTEXT function checks whether a value is not text and returns true or false. If any cell has value text, this function returns false. If any cell has value number, this function returns true. This function also returns true if any cell is blank cell. This function has only one argument. In value argument, select the value that you want to test. In value box, select this cell reference, click OK. Function returns logical value true in this cell. Because this cell contains non-text value. As a result, function returns logical value true in this cell. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click ISNONTEXT function. In value box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns logical value true in this cell. Because this cell has value non-text. Paste the formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Active this cell. Function returns logical value false in this cell. Because this cell contains text value. As a result, function returns logical value false in this cell. Function returns logical value true in this cell. Because this cell is blank cell. Function returns logical value true in this cell. Because this cell contains logical value true. Function considered this value is non-text. As a result, function returns logical value true in this cell. These two cells contains date and time formulas that returns numeric values. That values are non-text. As a result, function returns logical value true in these two cells.